Hey there! In this video, we're going to break down the binary search algorithm. Nice and easy. Before we jump into searching, let's first understand how to find the middle element of an array. Here's the trick. We take the index of the first element, let's call it L, and the index of the last element, let's call it R. We add L and R together, then divide the result by 2, and take the floor value. And just like that, we get the index of the middle element. In simple terms, the formula looks like this. Now, middle equals L plus R, divided by 2, and then rounded down. Pretty simple, right? Let's look at a simple example. Imagine we have an array with 4 elements. The first index is 0, and the last index is 3. We add 0 and 3 together, then divide the result by 2, and round it down. So the middle index becomes 1. Now, if we have an array with 3 elements, the middle element is also at index 1. And if the array has only 2 elements, the middle element is the one at index 0. Now that we know how to find the middle element, let's see how binary search actually works, step by step. Binary search is one of the fastest ways to find an element in an array. But before we begin, there is one very important rule. Binary search only works on sorted arrays. So now, assume we have a sorted array, and we want to find a specific value inside it. To do this, we use the binary search algorithm. Assume we are looking for a value, let's call it X, in a sorted array. Here's how binary search works. First, we compare X with the middle element of the array. If they are equal, great. We found the value. If X is smaller than the middle element, we continue searching in the first half of the array, from the first element up to the element just before the middle one. But if X is greater than the middle element, we continue searching in the second half of the array, from the element right after the middle all the way to the last element. All right, that's binary search. Now, let's put it into action with a simple example. So, imagine we're looking for the number 35 in an array. The first thing we do in binary search is find the middle element. Here's how we do it. We take the index of the first element, which is 0, and the index of the last element, which is 5. We add them together. That gives us 5. Then divide by 2 and round it down. And just like that, we get the middle index, 2. At index 2, the value is 15. Now we compare the number we're looking for, 35 with 15. They're not equal, and since 35 is bigger than 15, we know the number has to be in the right half of the array. So we ignore the left half completely, and now we focus on the range from index 3 to index 5. Let's find the middle of this new range. 3 plus 5 is 8, divided by 2, rounded down, and that gives us index 4. At index 4, the value is 35. We compare again, and yep, 35 equals 35. Boom. We found the number. That's the power of binary search. Instead of checking every element one by one, we cut the problem in half at each step until we reach exactly what we're looking for. Fast, efficient, elegant. And that's it. Binary search made simple and easy to follow. I hope this helped you understand the concept. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Can't wait to have you there.